A view in Marketo is simply a way to look at your lead data. So you can do this from any smart list or list. And to create and modify a view, it's very simple. So just select a list. So in this case, we're in lead database and we're going to all leads list. Go to the lead view where you can actually see the data. Now you'll notice this is where the view is set here. Right now it's default, but you'll notice there's others that have been named here. Now if you want to create your own, you can click on create view, give it a name, and you'll notice there's a default set of visible columns, so you can remove the ones that you don't want, and then you can add the ones you do want. Then that will create a different view according to the columns you want available. Now when you're finished, you just click create and a new view will appear. The way to modify an existing view, for example, if we go to the sample view here, we modify in very much the same way. Click edit sample. That's the name of the view, and we can modify what we want to display in that particular view by removing and adding the columns we want visible. And then at the end of that, you click save. Now if you want to delete a list, you can also do that by clicking delete.